import one font here in Photopea. Here I have the background. I've created a new layer. I'll just decrease the size of the font. Here we have the text. By default, you can check the font library in Photopea and check what fonts you can use. Here I want to use some external font. I want some different font. I'm using 1001fonts.com. Let's say I'm writing my text here. I can also preview how my text would look in that particular font. Often when you want to create signature logos or any type of logos wherein you are writing text as well. Let's say I want to use a font, maybe this one. You can download that font. Once you download this font, you can directly drag this zip file here. That will also take the font. Or in that other case, extract this file in Windows, right? If you're using MacBook, just single click and extract. You'll find a folder and you'll have these two types of files, either OTF or TTF, which is open type or two type fonts. Here I have this font. File, open, and select that font. You go to your download. Say here I'm selecting this particular font. Now this is given multiple type of fonts of the same family. Let's say I'm taking this one. Or let's take the script one. Nexa Rust is the font name. Now if you see, the font is loaded. Now when I go to my text, I can select that particular font. And here's your text in that particular font. And also if you want to change the color, go on top, change any color, use any Xcode. And just to remove the selection, remove transform corners.